Coach. It's the brand new fragrance that is a floral fragrance by Coach. I just love the packaging. It's like a really pretty pink box with like rose gold lettering. It basically has the fragrance of like tea roses. Look at this bottle, so beautiful. This is actually my daughter's favorite fragrance currently. It doesn't have a cap. This is the cap, so you twist it to turn, like close it and lock it, and then unlock it by twisting it again. The signature scent is it's inspired by tea roses. It has a splash of citrus and a touch of effervescent pink peppercorn with radiant pineapple sorbet. It actually reminds me of being in Hawaii, which we were in not too long ago. It's a really florally scent, but at the end it leads to like a musky end note, but it's very, very light. So if you're looking for like a really good daytime, everyday scent, this is gonna be your fragrance to go to. And I love the little tassels. I love all this stuff. So packaging for me is like huge. So try it out, Coach Floral.